guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are doing some unboxings. Well, in this video we are doing one unboxing.
I ripped over the box because I taped it all the carnations.
So we're doing Ipsy Glam Bag PLus for June, and let's see what's in there. Sit back, take a break with us. Alright, so what are you starting with, Amanda? Oh,
I don't know.
Here, I want this. It's mine.
Right, okay. It's fine or is mine?
It's mine.
Okay.
Welcome to the block party. It says, oh yeah, I think their theme is like Tetris this month.
Well, I think they had a Tetris set, but I don't think everything in here is Tetris.
So, if you don't know, Ipsy Glam Bag PLus is what, $25 a month? Maybe it's is it $24.99 or $25?
$25.
Okay.
I think it's $25. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out here is hot cake, half cakes. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't read. But
Half cake.
lip
Fondant.
fondant. Not fondue. Like.
No, that's different.
Oh, interesting.
Oh, that's cute. It's got sprinkles on it.
It is low key.
I don't see that in here.
Is this an add-on? I don't think I did.
Because wouldn't it go in your other bag? Go for it. I don't see that on here though.
Can I have the mirror? Not have it. There, perfect.
I don't know. Oh boy. I don't think it looks that bad. You just kind of got it out of your lines a little bit.
That's everything in my life. Oh, look at that.
It's so cute. It's got a donut.
Anyway, I made a mess of my makeup now, but
I don't think the color looks bad on you. Just maybe you need to.
I'm not good at putting these colors on because
It's on your teeth too.
I'll be back. It's a little sticky.
It's a little sticky. So this was, I don't see this in the little booklet. What? Half caked. I've never heard of this before. The packaging is really cute though. So, I don't know. I think the color is pretty on you. You know what? I feel like you did add something and you said because it had sprinkles.
Sticky.
Is it sticky? Bummer.
Okay. Moving on.
You got something from Justique too. Oh, I have one of those. Interesting. So this is from Justique. This is, you're going to like this color. Matte Color and Shiny Balm Lip Crayon in Belize. Belize. Bordeaux and Grenache Balm. Value of $25. So that has cool magnetic packaging.
Yeah, I remember that.
And then in this one there's a balm. I wonder where mine is. I want to see what shade mine is.
It's not bad. I don't mind it. I don't know if
I'm just curious, but I don't know.
Do you think I could wear that color?
I think you could. Hey, wait.
What? Is it the same color?
No.
Oh, yours is slightly more
So the one that
not bright.
I think, oh, but my tip's different too, isn't it? Yeah. So maybe they are a little bit different. This says Prime and Color Lip Glaze. I think I got this in a boxy charm a little back.
That.
Ooh, knocking
I like
stuff
it.
over.
I don't know about the color, but I'll try it. I mean, if I rub it down a little bit, it won't be so bad.
You can always try it. I think the packaging's cool. It's a neat concept.
Alright. We're just going to do these out of the way now.
Alright, this is from Tula Skincare.
Major Glow Brightening Hydrogel Mask.
So Tula is pretty expensive. These are $26 for a set of 3 masks. Those are pretty.
So I'll try these. I like masks.
These are supposed to be all of Tula Skincare's superfood probiotic packed formulas are developed to bring out your best, most radiant skin. This mask has a healthy dose of vitamin C to help brighten, papaya to exfoliate and nix dullness, and the probiotic strain Lactococcus?
I don't know about any of those words, but
Ferment, lysate, and hydrate. Beach bound, use this mask after you get home. It makes for super cooling, refreshing post-sun treatment.
I wonder if I put something on top of this, if it wouldn't feel sticky, like
a lip gloss or something.
Very sticky.
Yeah.
It's very sticky.
Amanda Sticky Lips.
I actually kind of like the way the color looks, though.
I think it looks pretty.
Okay. Is that 111?
111 Skin, I think. I don't know.
Vitamin C Brightening Booster.
Holy snikey.
I figured for the way it felt.
This has a value of $180. This lightweight concentrated formula is infused with firming red rice extract, vitamin C to help diminish dark spots and brighten your skin, and antioxidants to hydrate and help prevent future pigmentation and age spots. Tip: after washing your face, mix 1 to 2 drops with your moisturizer or apply directly to your skin. Use every night for best results.
Heal me.
So this says 111 Skin, Harley St. London.
I'm going to laugh if it makes your face break out red.
I don't know, that's cool. It's a really good value. Your face is probably going to get red because you're touching it. What?
How is that supposed to put it? Oh, that's touching.
No, I mean, just because you're touching it, your face is probably going to get red.
Interesting. Cool. Next. Pixie by Petra mascara, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I like their stuff.
Yeah. This is a value of $18. Neighbors are doing work, if you can hear that. Oh my goodness.
That's tiny.
Oh wait, is this that one? Put that back in. It is.
Oh.
So you can do, here you show it, but you can do your top lashes with the big one and your bottom lashes, or use the little one to get into your smaller.
How does the little one, is it in a second little bottle?
I don't know. It's cool packaging, isn't it? Or does it go through that one?
I don't think so, because there's no way for it to come out. It does.
Yeah, it has to, because otherwise it wouldn't go down so far. So that's really cool. I thought
it goes in there. See?
Yeah. Oh, cool.
Yeah, let's see. Just kind of like.
I think that's a neat concept. I might have to buy that just to try it.
Cool. If I didn't already have mascara on, I'd try it out.
That's really cool. I like that. Because I know I have a hard time. I have little lashes in here that I can really never. It's hard for me to get because, like, in my inner part, they're hard for me to get because the wands are always too big. I also do my bottom lashes, and that would be great for your bottom lashes. She can't handle the sticky.
It's terrible. Okay. Tetris Ipsy Black Party.
This is a collab with Tetris. $24 value. Oh, those are pretties. Oh, that's so cute.
They taped that on there.
Yeah. Those are so cute.
I like that. I don't know about these two, but I like this one.
You should touch that one. That one looks really pretty. Unless you don't want to touch it, but it's fine. So we partnered with the iconic video game Tetris on its 35th anniversary to create a limited edition collection celebrating our different sizes, shapes, colors, and unique beauty. This shadow palette comes with 6 richly pigmented, velvety, buildable shades to create any eye look you want, from subtle to smoky to bold and beyond. For an understated metallic look, apply back to back all over your lid, brush skyline into your crease, and top with T-spin. I don't know. Those are fun. Oh.
Oh, I'm not going to squash in the same hand. Dummy Amanda. Oh my god. I don't know why I did that. I guess I thought.
So Amanda doesn't usually sleep, but this week she really hasn't slept.
Okay.
She's working like extra hard.
I'll just use that as my excuse. That's why I'm dumb. You know, I can scratch on my hand with my hand. Because really my fingers bend backwards. Look at that.
Those are pretty. I want to see this one. Oh, that one's soft. I like that one a lot. The kind of silver one.
It's rainbowy.
So that's cool. Packaging is really, really cute. As I blind you. That's cool.
Kind of rubbed them together a little bit.
That's fun. Outside of it looks like this.
I don't know, I have a hard time. I'm not very artistic with it though, so I have a hard time making pretty darker colors.
Yeah.
I usually just do one color, see?
I think that looks pretty on you though. That almost looks like it's 2. It's not.
No, it's just one. It's green.
Almost
That's
looks like
my
a
skill
two.
level right there. That's it. Every time I try to be fancy, I just look like I can't get it even. One side has too much color and one short one's little. It's like, can't do it. All right.
So what do you think?
I like it. It's fun.
I think this is good.
Care for this too much. Maybe I'll try less. Maybe less will be the key.
That wasn't in there, so did you add that
I
on?
might have.
I feel like you did, because that was not in there.
So just put that aside. I thought you know what I did.
Because I thought you had sent me something with sprinkles.
I was thinking for some reason that I added to the other box, but I added to the big one. So this is what would be in the box.
So, yeah, $273. I can add. That's crazy for a box you paid $25 for. I think it was good. Yeah. I'm really intrigued by this mascara. Like, I want to buy that just so I can try it. That's cool. Very cool.
Maybe I'll try to do something with my makeup later with that eyeshadow and take a picture and put it on Instagram or something.
Yeah.
We'll see how disastrous that comes out. I also wonder, and this is not an excuse, but I wonder if it's because when I close this eye, I can't see clear. Like, I'm pretty much blind. So,
yeah.
I mean, it's hard to get both my eyes.
Right. Maybe. So, did you get Ipsy Glam Bag? Have you tried any of those things? Especially if you tried that mascara, did you like it? Let us know down below. And if you like videos like this, we would love for you to join us. So subscribe before you go. And we'll see you next time. Bye!